Well, YouTube went and deleted a comment which solidified what I said to be true. We can stop these people. We can stop the sheriffs. We can stop the police. We can stop all of these people. And the way to do it is to put a lien on the business and the individual cops, sheriffs, troopers that violates your rights. You can put a lien on them. Forget suing them. Suing them does nothing. Case law does nothing. And then when we start running around out there with plates that says private, non-commercial use, foreign, national, they'll be afraid to touch us. They'll be afraid to pull us over. We can stop them. We put liens on them. We can stop YouTube and X and all these platforms from censoring us. We can put a lien on them. And when they start paying out money on all these liens, they'll stop. This is how we do it. It's in there. They're a form. I'm going to have to figure out what form that is. Probably a 1099. I'm not sure. Because, that's for another thing. But I'm gonna find out what I got to do. And I'm going to put a lien on this attorney, their business, and the attorney that's going through with helping the prosecutor and the judge and the sheriff violate my rights. I'm going to put a lien on everyone that showed up at each of my arrests for violating my rights. They hurt my rights. They hurt me when they violated my rights. And it don't have to be physical. I'm going to put a lien on Tom Green County. I'm going to put a lien on their office. I'm going to put liens on everybody and everything. And I want to be rich. This will make you rich because in order for them to get rid of them liens so they can do what they need to do, there's other things they need to do. And with a lien, they can't do it without paying off the liens. They're going to make me money. I don't have to put but at most a $5 million lien. Because if you place over $100 million lien, and you do it through the Treasury. Because if you place over $100 million lien on a corporation or a business, the Treasury is not going to send you a check because they can't send you a check over $100 million. They're not going to send you two checks to separate it. So you're better off, and when you're doing multiples, you just, put a lien on them for $5 million. That's all. You don't have to be all up there and out there, and you get to be rich. So I'm getting ready to put liens on this law office and the lawyer that's going through with helping them enforce color of law above common law. Unless they get rid of the warrant now and they drop all of the tickets. And they compensate me for my truck that they stole from me and then created bullcrap that prevented me from getting it out. That's all I want. Give me 10 grand. That's what that's the price on my truck. That's what I say it is. Give me 10 grand, drop all the charges on the tickets, drop the warrants, and then I won't put a lien on you. Because I know they're watching me. I'm going to put a lien on you, sheriffs. I'm going to put a lien on everybody. I'm tired of this. It's time for us to stand up and start getting them. They don't like those liens. The Treasury loves to put liens on people and businesses because they make money. They make 30% of whatever that lien is, and then you get the rest. So if you charge them $5 million, they get 36% out of that. Over $1 million. Or $3 million. No. 36%. Oh, no. It'd be what? 10 million. So 500. 5 million. So it'd be, I guess, $16 million they would get. Or not 16 million. $1.6 million they would get out of that 5 million. $1.6 million the Treasury makes off those people. So that's my offer right now, outside of court, privately, right now. You send me a check for 10 grand, and you drop everything that's been put up against me, and you leave me the hell alone, because I'm getting me another vehicle, and I'm going to put my own private plates on it. I am not a resident of the state, and I am not a U.S. citizen. I do not work for either one as an agent, employee, and or officer with authority. I don't work for y'all. I don't have to have a driver license. I'm not working at the seaport bringing in goods and doing trade and business. I don't have to have any of that. I don't have to have a title. I don't have to have registration. It's all voluntary. And I do not consent and volunteer to any of it. I want to be free and left alone, create my own private business, and do what I want. I can have a business if I don't get a business license through them voluntarily. I can live my life my way. Free will, the free market, freedom. And you're not taking that away from me anymore. You can put a bullet in my head, but I'm going to put a lien on every one of you. So you better get rid of all this stuff and send me notification that's notarized that I no longer owe you all. And you send me a check for $10,000. Because you're in violation of my common law rights, and common law does not recognize color of law. All of man's law is color of law. It's outside of the law of the land. So any laws that any man creates in a group, saying there's something that they're really not, that the Constitution don't even, or the common laws don't even recognize. The amendments for the government, that recognizes all of that. The Bill of Rights and all that don't recognize, government having authority over we the people. The 10th Amendment and the 9th Amendment is there to protect us and the states. That's it. And then the 9th Amendment is there to protect us from the states. There's nothing in them that says the state has the right to create law, and the citizens residing in the state is required or obligated to obey the laws the state creates. We're free. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm getting ready to do it. I'm getting ready to put them all on blast. And I'm going to prevent them from doing their job till they pay those liens to the Treasury, and I get all that money. And they'll each individually be separate checks for each one. It won't be all put together as one. So they just help me get rich. And it'll be fast. The payment is right after they pay, and then the check is sent. There ain't no waiting for a year or 2 years or 5 years to get the settlement. Lawsuits are stupid. Case laws are stupid. You put a lien on their ass. You all take care. Bye.